10 Surprising Ways YouTube Can Support Your Self-Improvement Journey. This video uncovers 10 surprising ways YouTube can support your self-improvement journey, culminating in an unexpected yet profound life lesson the platform has taught me. In today's digital world, YouTube is more than just a source of entertainment, it's a powerful catalyst for personal growth. Whether you're looking to learn new skills, shift your mindset, or boost motivation, YouTube offers a wealth of free content to help you evolve. Here's how it can transform your path to self-improvement in sometimes very unexpected ways. One of the greatest benefits of YouTube is its wealth of educational videos. Whether you want to learn a new language, improve your public speaking skills, or master time management, you can find high-quality tutorials and courses for free. Channels dedicated to personal development, such as Zero Limits, Mel Robbins, and Better Ideas, provide valuable insights from experts that can help you develop new skills and perspectives. Benjamin Franklin said, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." Self-improvement requires consistent effort, and YouTube offers an endless supply of motivational content to keep you inspired. Watching videos from speakers like Tony Robbins, Les Brown, and Jim Rohn can provide a daily dose of motivation to help you stay on track. These videos can reframe your mindset, helping you push past obstacles and stay committed to your goals. Aristotle said, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Mental well-being is a crucial aspect of self-improvement. YouTube offers thousands of guided meditations, breathing exercises, and mindfulness practices that can help reduce stress and improve focus. Channels such as Headspace and The Honest Guys provide free meditation sessions that cater to beginners and advanced practitioners alike. Madhya Sudhi Bhagavati said, "Quiet the mind, and the soul will speak." Physical health plays a vital role in self-improvement, and YouTube is an excellent resource for fitness and nutrition guidance. You can find workout routines, yoga sessions, and healthy meal plans tailored to different goals. Channels like Fitness Blender, Yoga with Adriene, and Athlean X offer expert-led programs that can help you stay fit and energized. Robert Urich said, "A healthy outside starts from the inside." Reading is a fundamental part of self-growth, but not everyone has the time to read full-length books. Fortunately, YouTube hosts countless book summaries that distill key lessons from self-improvement books like Atomic Habits by James Clear or The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Channels such as Productivity Game and Fight Mediocrity provide insightful breakdowns of the best self-help books, saving you time while still delivering valuable knowledge. Albert Einstein said, "The only thing that you absolutely have to know is the location of the library." Beyond motivation and education, YouTube is a great place to learn practical life skills. From improving communication and leadership skills to learning how to manage finances, YouTube offers countless resources to enhance different aspects of life. Productivity-focused channels like Ali Abdul and Thomas Frank share tips on how to manage time effectively, eliminate distractions, and create productive habits. Buddha said, "Do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future, concentrate the mind on the present moment." Personal growth is often easier when you have a community supporting you. Many YouTube channels foster communities where people can share their self-improvement journeys, challenges, and successes. Engaging in the comment sections and joining online communities inspired by these channels can help you stay accountable and motivated. Helen Keller said, "Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much." Unlike traditional learning methods, YouTube allows you to learn at your own pace. You can pause, rewind, and rewatch content whenever necessary. This flexibility makes it easier to absorb information and apply it to your life without the pressure of keeping up with a structured course. Confucius said, "It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop." Self-improvement isn't just about personal habits, it's also about broadening your understanding of the world. YouTube exposes you to diverse perspectives, cultures, and philosophies. Channels that explore psychology, philosophy, and personal development can help you think critically and develop a more open-minded approach to life. Buddha said, "The mind is everything. What you think you become." Unlike paid courses or seminars, YouTube provides free access to a treasure trove of self-improvement content. No matter your background or financial situation, you can find valuable knowledge that can help you grow and evolve. Nelson Mandela said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." The most important thing that YouTube has taught me while growing this YouTube channel is that it takes a lot of patience and love to make something grow, and this aspect applies to everything in life. YouTube is a powerful tool for self-improvement, offering resources to enhance nearly every aspect of life. Whether you're looking for motivation, education, fitness guidance, or personal development strategies, YouTube provides unlimited access to life-changing content. By using this platform wisely, you can accelerate your growth, gain new insights, and stay inspired on your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. Aristotle said, "Knowing yourself is the beginning of all wisdom." Subscribe below for more daily inspiration.